Alright guys, what up? Today we will be installing a Maverickmotorsports rack spacer. This is a screw-in type, not the spacer type. So this gives an estimated about 14 extra degrees of angle. It is a type that only goes on the passenger side. Now, it's been a while since you've seen this car. Yield flexes. It is no longer my daily. I have bought another car, and I'll show you that here later. And yeah, so we're gonna try to do that. At least get that done. I gotta show you how to recenter a rack. Because once you add spacers like this, not like the battle version slip spacers, which I do actually, damn it has definitely been a while. So I've installed battle version inner tie rods, and on the driver's side I have a battle version rack spacer. And I did that a long time ago. I don't think I've filmed it, or either that or I filmed it and I didn't like the video. But yeah, so we're gonna do this one. It's much better than the rack spacers or the slip-on ones, because this has full like thread engagement and whatnot, and I'll show you guys in a second. But pretty sure this rack is also kind of fucked, but whatever. I'll have to get it rack number 2, because this is rack number 2. I'll have to get rack number 3. But battle version inner tire rod. Basically, I've already loosened this. Now, some will say take off the whole fucking wheel. You can. I mean, take off the tie rod and whatnot. You can. I'm not going to, because I'm lazy as shit. So basically, just I used you gotta use a pretty big fucking wrench to do it. I can't remember, like 21, but I've got myself a good old pipe wrench and took this shit off super easy. There's the battle version inner tie rod. My OEM inner tie rods were totally fucked, so this one is all nice. And then that is the steering rack. This is the spacer. Where is it? Right there. Like I said, Maverickmotorsports. Shit, I just realized I don't have any anti-seize. Hell. Well, so you definitely want to put anti-seize before you do this. Shit, I'll probably have to go to work and go get some after I install it. So I'll install it and then whatever, but fuck it. So make sure you have anti-seize when you do this, but you want to put anti-seize and thread locker on here just to prevent it from backing out. But so don't follow me and do what I'm about to do. But basically, this is just to get it over with, because it's like fucking 72 degrees right now in Arizona, which is unreal. But literally just screw it in, guys. You just screw it in like so. Get a nice fucking something, tightening it, and then screw the rack back in, and boom, 14 degrees of angle, or additional. So, but then the hard part, and it's not even really hard, but what a lot of people forget to do is recenter the rack, because obviously with that extra angle, this side is gonna be hella towed out, so I gotta bring the toe back in, recenter it, and I'll show you how to do that, and then I'll have to do my alignment after I recenter the rack. But yeah, that's basically it. All tightened down. But notice how much toe out I have now. Like, after adding that, it's ridiculous. So I have to pretty much gonna bring this all the way in, this outer tie rod all the way in. Same with that side, which is like not, well, it's still a bit of toe out, but gotta bring this side all the way in, recenter it, and then do the alignment after that. So I'm also gonna raise my car up a little bit. Notice how much all the rubbing that I'm getting everywhere. It's really fucking annoying. So I think I'm just about done with the low life. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much done with the low life, because I went through like 3 lips already. I don't know if it's on. I don't know if I've shown you guys like all the body like kit, but lip and side skirts and everything that I've done. But yeah, I'm just tired of ruining shit. I want this car to be functional, so yeah, bit of an issue. So I can't bottom these out because that's why you get aftermarket outers, but I mean, I've bottomed these out as far as screwing these in, so I've got all the way to the very end. Thanks, Jet. And I feel like I still have quite a bit of toe out. So I guess we'll find out. Hopefully I can compensate in some way, shape, or form. But that kind of sucks. Just a teensy bit. But we'll work with it and see what happens. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully that's not too much toe out. But then again, it's not a daily anymore. I have another car, but still, it kind of blows. Wasn't anticipating it. So I raised my car up about a finger length, so that should probably be about an inch or so. But one thing I noticed when I was putting my coilover back on, or one of the nuts. Let's see if I can show this. Oh, damn, you can't see now because I have the bolt in there. But this is totally foobarred. Like this whole bushing. Dunsies. So, definitely need a new LCA. Definitely gonna need a new LCA. LOL. Alright, to recenter the rack, that's how you do it. Notice this right here, that's stock position. It's crooked, it's whatever. That's what I was using for my alignment. So you wanna go all the way to the right. Mark it at the 12 o'clock position, the steering wheel, and then count how many times that position passes by when you turn to the left. So here's one, there's 1, 2, 3. God, this fucking sun is just fucking everything up. 3, and then, so that's, I'd say that's about 3 1/4. So here's the top. Top was up here. So that was 3 1/4. All right. So now you got to take that and divide it by 2. So 3 1/4 divided by 2 is like 1.6, something like that. So then you want to turn it back to the right 1.6 turns. This is obviously for me. Now I've already gone and done all of this, so then I marked it again to the 12 o'clock position and put in number 2 for measurement number 2. So turn it back right. There's 1, right? Yeah, that's 1. And then half, so 1 1/2 would be down here. And then I'm gonna guess 1.6 is probably like right around, it's like right around there. So, and then, so then after you get that done, pretty much just have to recenter your wheel. So I gotta take my wheel off and then position it straight. And that's basically the gist of recentering a rack. Alright guys, finally finished up with everything. Got the Maverickmotorsports steering rack spacer installed. Put the battle version slip-on spacer. That was already installed, but made sure everything was secure on that. Did a half-ass alignment with my toe plates that I bought. Gonna go into my work and get a real alignment probably on Saturday. So, yeah, I went and just did a little drive around town, made sure everything was copacetic with it. So, also forgot to mention, got 25mm spacers installed and some good old 6-speed spike club nuts. Fucking hot boy points, why not? I'm trying to think if that's everything that I did today. Here's an idea of what the additional angle, kind of, should have done like a before and after, obviously, but it's a decent amount, to be honest. Like that's gotta probably be 45 degrees. I don't know. Couldn't tell you, but not bad. The spacers installed back there, 25 mil. So these are 18 by 10 plus 22 with 25. So I'm like -3. And then lug nuts, obviously, for fucking hot boy points. And here's on the other side. Yes, I know I need tires, but not bad, not bad. So I'm gonna go and get an actual alignment. I think what's next up is I definitely am either kicking back the idea of getting the Agile angle kit, or and keep the rack spacers, or get the some battle version or outer tie rods or figs or something, some sort of outer tie rods. That way I can actually fuck with the tie rods more. Also definitely need LCAs because my LCA bushings are fucked. So yeah, it's pretty much it for now. I don't think it was too long of a video. I guess I'll find out after I edit everything. If you guys have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to comment and holler. We'll do my best to respond. Honestly, I don't update a lot on YouTube, so if you follow more, like you're more curious about shit, go to my Instagram. It's like in every description of my video. So yeah, do that. It would also like kind of, sort of, maybe, kind of, possibly, maybe help just a little RCH. If you like the video, just thumbs up it. If you got to this point, chances are you probably didn't, because who the fuck watches a full video? Let's be honest. My retention rate's like 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe. Yeah, fucking clowning on myself. All right, guys. Well, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. GFY.